What's up everyone? I'm Alexander Tisanuan. So, nakatakot tong horror game na to. So, yung title nitong horror movie na to or horror game na to nasa description, guys. Okay. Ito. Ito nyan. Okay, short horror games. Okay. Katakot dito This should be a pretty easy job. Think I almost there. Bro. Lalagata ako. Wala akong ano. Wala bang flashlight dito? Dilim-dilim dito. Object. Enter the tower. Ayun naman yan. Tower na yan. Grabe naman layo niyan. Tower na yan. Okay. Dire-diretso lang tayo Wala titigil. Dire-diretso. Yan. Watch tower. Hiking trail. Dito tayo. Okay, so napakalayo talaga nito. Uy. Biglat lang pala. Watch tower. Tower supplies. Okay. So, may generator dito. Generator ba to? Lakas ng ulan dito Signal number 5 dito. Lakas Okay, dire-diretso. Dire-diretso. Okay. Okay, yan na. Are there any lights in this place? Duling ito. Oh, looks like there is a note here. Maybe it could help. Note. Note. Read. Bro, wait lang. Explore muna natin to. Exploring muna tayo. Okay, ito na. To new fire lookout. If you're reading this, then you properly just arrived at the watchtower and have noticed the lights are out. That is because your tower runs off a generator which needs to be fueled to provide the power to your tower. There should be fuel cans in the supplies shacks located next to the tower. You should have seen it on the way here. After you're done getting the power turned on, try using the radio to talk with the other lookout tower around you. They can give you help on how to get started with your brand new job. Okay, go get fuel and refill the generator. Tara, bilis. Bisan mo, bis. So guys, wala tayong kasama dito. Solo player. Solo lang tayo dito. Okay, diretso. Generator. Talon na tayo dito. Okay. Take off. So may caution tape dito. Dug, 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 dug. Tug, dug, 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 dug. Okay. Fuel cans. Okay, dire-diretso. Fuel. Refill. Okay. Turn on the lights inside the tower. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, let's go. Go, go, go. Let's go, go. Go, go, go. Lagi na lang ako napipindot dito. Kala ko dyan yung pinto. Nakakalito kasi. Ang layo ng pinto. Okay, turn on. Yon. Close natin ito baka may makapasok. Tama diba? Kasi hindi masara. Okay. Answer the radio. Talk. So, ano meron dito sa mga to? Hey! Hello? Sino yun? Hi? Oh, hi. You must be the new guy. What? Yeah, that's me. Do you have a name, Mr. New Guy? My name is Ethan. Ethan Parker. Nice to meet you, Ethan. My name's Owen. I'm the nearest watchtower to you. I saw you turn on your lights on. Since you're new here, I help you learn the ropes of this job. I will warn you now. Through this job isn't easy. And make sure always watching your surroundings. There's endless reports of weird stuff happening in this forest. Anyways, I bet you're probably hungry. There should be some food in that mini refrigerator. You can use the microwave to warm it up. Thanks. I look in the fridge now. Sounds good, new Ethan. Haha, sabihin niya pa gay eh. Okay, fridge.
Gusto ka pa bang sabihin?
Burger.
Sabihin mo, Jay, mula na naging parang...
Burger tayo, burger. Yeah, burger. Burger, burger, burger. Okay, frozen burger. Dito ba? Okay, microwave natin to. And then matulog muna tayo. Joke lang. Tayo natin, baka masunog eh. Ba naghihintay tayo, magtingin muna tayo sa labas. Kaso walang makita. Gabing-gabi na. Yon! Eat the food and relax. Books. Saan tayo magre-relax kaya? Dito na lang. Oh, bilis oh. Parang nilunok na lang diretso eh. Pagkalagay sa bunganga, nilunok agad. Wala nang nguyak-nguyak. Diretso ano na. Gusto ko pa kumain. Bitin yung hamburger. Answer radio. Hey, I forgot to tell you, but you'll need to complete a service report every night before you head You can use the computer to fill it out. Kaya na bahala bumasa, guys. Go, guys. Okay, guys. So, hanggang dito na lang yung video natin. Goodbye. Subscribe and like this video for more scary videos. Okay? Bye-bye. See you to part 2.